Hi, though you can customize each and every element of your WordPress website through admin interface, theme repository helps you change the design of your WordPress website with a complete new interface. Theme repository gives you access to all the future designs and keeps your visitors refreshed. This helps in improving your visibility amongst your competitors and customers. So in this session, we'll see how to install theme repository and change the design of the website. So for that, I'll log into admin, then plugin options. In the shortcode repository, I'll scroll below. I'll find this theme repository. I'll install it. Okay, it's installed now. Now I'll find theme repository in the left hand menu in the shortcode settings. So I'll click on theme repository. These are the designs that I can change it with. So for an example, I'll use this, but before that, I'd like to see how the current website looks. So I'll go to visit website. So this is how it looks right now, but I'd like to change it with the design that I suggested. Theme repository and install. Once I install it, I'll find the same theme in my appearance and themes. Okay, now I'll activate this. Done. Now I'll try to view the site. Okay, now I can see the complete design of the website is now changed. The rest of the things are all same, like we had three tabs over here. So it's all same. It's just the design which has been changed. So this is it in this video. Feel free to drop us your query in the below comment box and do subscribe to our channel to receive more updates about our new modules and shortcode releases. Thanks for watching.